So yes, good afternoon guys. So thank you for taking your valuable time out and coming to the motivation session. So आज के सेशन का एजेंडा एकदम सिंपल है that we want to make sure that you guys get to understand what the previous students have done. So one of the people that we have who just like you was till last year a student, an aspirant, today is a person who will be getting into one of the top colleges, IIM Bangalore. Being a commerce student होने के बावजूद फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट में गुजराती मीडियम का स्टूडेंट होके निकालना बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. सारे इंटरव्यूज़ कन्वर्ट करना उससे ही बड़ी बात होती है. दिस इज़ नॉट ए मीन अचीवमेंट, दिस इज़ ए वेरी बिग अचीवमेंट. सो 20 साल की उम्र में जी हैज जस्ट टर्न 20 on 11th of May. His father gave a party on 11th of May. Unfortunately, I couldn't attend. But yes, Utsav sir make sure that he makes up for that. So, I think Zeal deserves a big round of applause. आज का जो सेशन है वो सिंपल है कि भाई हम सवाल पूछेंगे, उसके बाद आपको मौका दिया जाएगा कि यू नीड टू आस्क एनी क्वेश्चंस, क्वेरीज टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट कि भाई ऐसा इसने क्या किया था व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ द अदर्स कुडंट डू. समझ में आ रहा है ना? लेट अस स्टार्ट द इंटरव्यू दैट वी आर हियर फॉर. गुड इवनिंग Zeel. Can you please tell the audience about yourself?
Myself Zeal, and I have born and brought up in Surat, and I have done my graduation from here, and I am joining IIM Bangalore. Yes.
Which college you did your graduation from?
I have done my graduation from BRCM in BBA.
Can you tell us about your journey so far?
Okay, I started preparing for CAT very early because my verbal was not so good. I know that my verbal is not so good. I am from Gujarati. I am Gujarati medium guy, and so I know that I have to prepare a lot in verbal. So I started in August 22. I joined time.
In your
Right?
second year?
In second year, yeah. In second year I joined time, and first thing that I have done is working on verbal. I work hard for that.
Yeah, so we understand that you did your schooling in Gujarati medium in your 10th and 12th. Till 12th you studied in Gujarati
Yeah.
medium, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
I am from Gujarat.
So, even after studying in Gujarati medium, you managed to sail through the verbal section. And let's forget the verbal section, you managed to clear your college in flying colors, right? So, can you tell us about how you managed to handle English after your 12th?
So after my 12th I have read about 100 books, about 100 novels. I started reading novel, and I just like reading now. Initially I just don't like reading English. It was like very stressful for me to even read a 2 page or 3 page. But then when I started it, and I just like it. I just like reading. I have read more than 100 books. I think the number is more than 150.
In the last 2 years, you have read more than 100 books. Just
150. Yeah.
Okay, 150 books. That's quite a lot. Can we say that reading has now become your hobby, sort of?
It's like a habit. It's just not we can't say hobby, but it's a habit. I read every day.
What score you got in your CAT?
In CAT, overall my score was 72 marks. I scored 72 marks. It
What
was
percentage
about
was
98.4%.
How much score you got in quant specifically? Because most of the people in commerce background are scared about quant. They are scared about maths, quant, right? So were you scared about maths, and what was your score?
When I started, it was my quant was not so good when I started it, but I just look quant from a different perspective.
What was your score?
My score was 31 marks. It
And
was
percentage, what
99.7 around 99.7. I don't remember.
Okay.
99.72 I think. Yeah.
Yeah, but last year the paper was way tougher than what it normally is,
Yeah,
especially in the quant section. And you are saying that you scored 99.7%.
Yeah.
How exactly you managed to score 99.72 even after being a commerce student and being a Gujarati medium student? I think it would have been quite difficult.
So first thing that what I did was I just found one mentor, you, you know that, right?
Yeah.
And whatever he asked me to do, that I just follow him blindly. I followed you blindly. That was the one thing that worked for me.
Okay.
And the second thing, I have worked a lot. I used to like sit 2 or 3 hours a day for work on only in last 4 months before CAT. Like before that, I used to study let's say only 2 or 3 hours a day for the all 3 section, and then I started giving it 2 hours for particular section. So it was 6 hours a day for CAT. And then for quant, I used to solve different questions, different topics, and as I said, I look quant from a different perspective. I hate X and Y's. Engineers, like, they're solving everything from, they assume X is this and Y is this, and they write 2-3 pages of solution. I think of it as from a different perspective. Everything I solved was from a logical perspective. I just wanted to solve everything in 3-4 steps. I always try to find the smallest way possible, and that's what sir has also taught me about.
Can you please tell the audience which calls you had, which other calls you had apart from I am Bangalore?
Apart from I am Ahmedabad and Calcutta, I had every calls, and I converted everyone.
You converted all of them. For every seat, there are close to 5 to 10 candidates. So that means the chances of out of 7, 8 or 10 people, only one converts. So the chances of your conversion is like 10 to 20%. And you converted 7 or 8 big calls, 100% of them. So what do you think? What was the mantra for your success?
After getting call, I just started preparing for interviews, and I found good mentors there also. So sir helped me a lot in terms of so I'm born Guju. So Guju speaks whatever the language Guju speaks. It is Gujarati. If you are speaking Hindi, then also it is Gujarati. If a Guju is speaking Hindi, then you will, in a minute, you will get that the guy is Gujarati. Like what normal people do, they start doing internships and courses when they have not much to talk in the interviews. They start doing courses. I rather doing that, I just focused on what I have done previously.
So in nutshell, you are saying that you were honest in the interview. At the same time, you found some good mentors. You might not be the best in spoken English, but you are good at communicating what you want to at least to the interviewer, right?
Yeah, communication. My communication was good. My English is not so good, but I can communicate anything. Yeah.
So guys, here is a message for all of you, that you might not be good in English. That's not important. It's important that you are able to convey what you want to the person whom you are communicating to. जो आपको समझाना है सामने वाले को, वो आपको समझाना आना चाहिए. लैंग्वेज जो उसको समझ में आती है. इट्स नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट टू बी गुड इन इंग्लिश. बोलना इंग्लिश कोई इम्पोर्टेंस, कोई इतनी बड़ी बात नहीं है. जैसा आप देख रहे हो, मेरे को भी इंग्लिश इतनी कुछ बोलनी नहीं आती है. और झील का भी इंग्लिश जो है वो वी कैन नॉट से दैट कि इट्स लाइक 10 out of 10, मे बी 8, 9 और 7, राइट. सो इंग्लिश वगैरह, इंग्लिश एक लैंग्वेज है, जस्ट ए लैंग्वेज. जो भी इंग्लिश बोल रहा है पट पट वो दिमाग वाला है या वो ब्रिलियंट है, ऐसा आप जो है वो थॉट मत रखो. और जो इंग्लिश नहीं बोल रहा है वो जो है वो स्मार्ट नहीं है या अच्छा नहीं है या इतना तेज़ नहीं है, ये सब सोच आप दिमाग में मत रखो, राइट. सो लैंग्वेज अच्छी है तो अच्छी बात है, आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी है, इट्स अ गुड थिंग. और किसी की नहीं है तो इट्स नॉट दैट कि भाई आपको बहुत बड़ी बात हो, ठीक है ना. इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप अपनी बात सामने वाले को, अगर मैं अभी जो बोल रहा हूँ आपको समझ में आ रहा है, सो दैट इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. हो सकता है इंग्लिश थोड़ी बहुत ऊपर नीचे हो, दैट्स ओके. व्हाई डिड यू चूज IIM Bangalore Business Analytics over all other courses? The thinking behind choosing IIM Bangalore Business Analytics?
The best thing about IIM Bangalore is it's in the Bangalore. If you visit a place like a Bangalore, so in a metro also you will find a good people around you. Like my main goal for doing MBA is networking, to find a good people. So to find good people, I'm going to Bangalore, and that's why that was not the only reason. IIM Bangalore itself is a good place to go.
So you are saying that because you are like keeping your options open for a startup, and Bangalore is more receptible towards startup, so you wanted to have that option open, and at the same time you wanted networking, right? So that's why you choose IIM Bangalore over Lucknow. Is it?
Yeah, that was the only reason for choosing Bangalore.
Tell us about your hobbies.
Hobbies, in my free time I have recently started writing poetry, the newest hobby. I just
Writing poetry.
writing poems.
Poems?
So you're writing poems.
Poetry is like
Art.
different thing. Poem
So
is
that's
thing.
okay. That's quite interesting. Anything else?
Anything else I do? I used to do paintings also.
So you have done poetry and you have done painting.
Painting, from a very early childhood I'm doing paintings.
Okay. So would you like to give any advice to the youngsters and to the aspirants who are going to give GAT this year or maybe next year?
हारना नहीं है गाइस. साकी की दो लाइन है, मैंने आज सुबह ही पढ़ी थी कि मंजिलें लाख कठिनाई गुजर जाऊंगा, हौसला हार के बैठूंगा तो मैं मर जाऊंगा. तो हमें इन एंड ऑल हमें हौसला नहीं हारना है. ये जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है कि हमें हौसला हार के हमने नहीं बैठ सकते. आपके आफ्टर इन बिटवीन अगर आप मार्क्स दे रहे हो तो आपके 20-25 मार्क्स भी आ जाएंगे. उस टाइम पे ये नहीं सोचना है कि छोड़ देता हूँ, नहीं करना है, कुछ और कर लेंगे. और अगर ये भी है कि मेहनत कैट वाले दिन तक पूरी करनी. उस दिन अगर कुछ ख़राब हो जाता है तो फिर ऐसा नहीं कि वही था सिर्फ ऑप्शन. कैट वाले दिन तक अपना 100% दे दो. अगर 1% केस में आपको कुछ नहीं हुआ आपसे तो हौसला नहीं हारना है उसके बाद भी, क्योंकि कुदरत आपकी मेहनत के एक एक कतरे का हिसाब देगा. ये मैंने हर जगह पे मैंने लाइफ में इनफैक्ट हर चीज़ का जो मैंने कुछ भी किया, छोटी सी इंटर्नशिप भी अगर मैंने करी है तो उसका मुझे बाद में पेबैक मिला है. लाइक मैंने 10th में एक छोटा सा एक ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम था एक, तो उसकी वजह से मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट में फ़ायदा हुआ था. डायमंड्स में मैंने एक छोटा सा ट्रेनिंग किया था, वहाँ से मैं कुछ लोगों को जानता था डायमंड्स में. तो बाद में ये जब इन्वेस्टिंग के लिए मैं जब जा रहा था, पिचिंग कर रहा था लोगों के पास, तो वही लोग थे जो जहाँ पे मैं जा रहा था डायमंड्स में, उन्हीं लोगों ने मुझे सपोर्ट किया था इस चीज़ के लिए. उन्होंने ही बोला था कि हम आपको एक्वायर करना चाहते हैं. सो वो एक 3 महीने का काम था, मैंने कर लिया एंड वो बाद में फ़ायदा हुआ. सो अगर आप कुछ नहीं भी कर पाते हो, इट्स ओके. कोशिश पूरी करनी, बीच में नहीं छोड़नी कोई भी चीज़.
Now we will start the question answer round.
Do you think your college marks like matter in interview?
Like till you get call and all, you for shortlisting it matters, but after that the interviewers will not check your marks. You are there only to check your knowledge. They don't need your marks.
What's the one advice you will give to the all students who can relate to me from Gujarati medium to improve that great skills in quant specifically?
You just start thinking a question from a logical perspective. That's what worked for me. अगर आपके बाजू में इंजीनियर बैठा है तो he will do it from X. Let's say X is this, Y is this, and they are making 2-page solution, but they are doing it very fast because they have done a lot of practice. We can't reach that level now. For now, and they should also not do that. Start thinking a question from a different perspective. Forgot about X and Y, and just do practice. The thing will work for you is a consistent practice.
I have a very general question. Where did you get that confidence?
Confidence तो मैं पहले से ही हूँ.
How do you build consistency? How do you stay on track?
Consistency is more important क्योंकि वो आपको रोज़ करना पड़ेगा. कंसिस्टेंसी ही ज़रूरी है.
ये लाइफ में इवेंट्स होते हैं, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, कभी कुछ हो जाता है, मोटिवेशन गोज अप एंड डाउन, स्टिल यू आर डूइंग इट एवरी डे. तो वो हाउ डू यू टफ इट आउट थ्रू द टफ पार्ट?
यू शुड बी इंटरनली मोटिवेटेड. या वो लॉन्ग टाइम तक चलेगा. आप कहीं किसी का मोटिवेशनल सुन के आओगे तो वो दारू की तरह है, बहुत जल्दी उतर भी जाता है. वो चढ़ता भी उतना है और उतरता भी उतना जल्दी.
So I want to ask that you gave CAT and along with that you gave a couple of more exams. So in that period of 2-3 months where there are exams, there are GDs, there are personal interviews, how do you pace yourself? And like there might be an interview before an entrance exam, so how do you prepare yourself for
I
that?
will not have that kind of hectic like exam and interview on the same date. It is not possible because your exams are in like the last exam is ZAT. ZAT is in January. And your interview will start in February. After a week of your CAT, you will get your results. You will get your marks at least. So you know that what are the probable calls that I am having. It's like I had a 68 marks. So I was focusing on that Lucknow, Kozhikode and Indore. So I started preparing for interview early. If you are giving ZAT also, so you start from after ZAT. Preparing for interview will take you on a worst case. It will if you are like me, then you will need a month or one and a half month of preparation. And so sir will tell you about at that time whenever you get calls, you go to sir and they will help you.
Can you elaborate more about the interviews? How were the interviews? How did you prepare? It's not like how was your experience? Just I want to know your experience. I want to understand how like your mentality. Like when you were entering the interview, what was your mentality?
I'll tell you about the interview experience at IIM Lucknow. They were like they just took my file. Like this is my file. They took my file. Oh, you do this. Give me your introduction. The tone is same. They were seemed like they are not interested in my interview, taking my interview, and they were after a point they started speaking in Hindi, and मेरे को इंग्लिश बोलना पड़ रहा है जो मुझे नहीं पसंद आता है कभी कभी. And the guy was speaking Hindi. Are you have business? Let's search your business. And so search. So after he searched on Amazon, I was having some prints of my listings and all. So I give him a print also. So he was like, yeah, tell me about this. And he was not interested at all in taking my interview. He was acting like that. Whenever I 2-3 quant question, or he asked me 2-3 statistics related question also. And I know that I give all 3 right answers. But after that he said, तो तुम wrong हो भाई, जाओ तुम. ऐसा आंसर. And last में he just ऐसा my file and you are made for business, you should not join Lucknow. That was the final thing. And on the result date I just cleared Lucknow. They are the people, they will check your confidence. आखिर तक आपको कॉन्फिडेंस लूज नहीं करना है. वो कुछ भी करे, सो जाए इंटरव्यू में. कोझिकोड वाला सो गया था भाई. लाइक वो कहते हैं ना लल्लू जी की, मतलब आंख बंद करके चिंतन कर रहे थे. कोझिकोड में हुआ था. कोझिकोड में भी. लेकिन इंटरव्यू इफ यू आर ऑनेस्ट, इफ यू आर क्लियर विथ योर व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, देन इट इज गुड.
To ask that there are certain moments in your preparation you feel quite low, you think that it's not gonna happen. So how do you cope up with that?
What I used to do is sit at a quiet place and just do nothing for an hour. Just stop thinking about everything. Whenever you have setbacks, just come to sir. Utsav sir will also help you. Go to Mayur sir. मैंने कहा ना, हार नहीं माननी. लास्ट तक हार को टालते चले जाना है, आपकी जीत हो जाएगी.
What was the score in the marks?
In the first mock, very first mock, I scored 80 marks. Was very easy and I was like, अब तो फाड़ देंगे भाई. And then my score started declining, 50, 20. My lowest was 12 or 22. I don't remember. I think it was 12. And then till CAT it was shaking. From 40 to 75 or 80.
जिल आप कॉलेज कब जा रहे हो?
आज शाम को.
यहाँ से सीधा आप
कल ही
एयरपोर्ट जाना
रहा
है?
एयरपोर्ट जा रहा हूँ.
So from here he is directly going to Surat airport and will be taking a flight from Bangalore because his orientation will start from Monday. So a big round of applause again. Even in such a crunch situation, to take time out, you can understand what he must be going through because you are starting a college. He has already been doing online classes for the last 15 days.
2 weeks.
So 15 days, and out of that, he has taken the time to come and answer such questions before going to the airport. I mean, he was panicked about what all things to take to the college, right? And still he came, and that's a big help to all of us, and we are really thankful to Zeal. Zeal, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका, very thankful to you, and hope you have a great time in IIM Bangalore and all your ambitions regarding your placements and your entrepreneurship come true. So in case you need any help with any of us, we feel free to get in touch with us.